What's up, future millionaires? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, and I'm super excited you joined us today. We're going to talk about something really special: how to make money from affiliate marketing using Chat GPT. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of passive income. Chat GPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI, which can help you generate high-quality content for your affiliate marketing effort. And trust me, it's super easy to use. To get started with ChatGPT, head over to OpenAI's website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the ChatGPT API, which will be your secret weapon in creating top-notch content for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, let's break down the process of using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing into simple, actionable steps. First, we'll choose a niche. Then we'll find the right affiliate products. And finally, we'll create engaging content using ChatGPT. Are you ready? Let's go! Choosing the right niche is super important for your affiliate marketing success. Pick something you're passionate about or have expertise in so you can genuinely connect with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key. Some popular niches include health and fitness, personal finance, and technology. You can use tools like Google Trends or Amazon bestsellers to find trending niches and products. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find the perfect affiliate products. There are plenty of affiliate networks and programs out there, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Sign up for the ones that offer products relevant to your niche and make sure you choose high-quality products with good reviews. Remember, you want to promote products that you truly believe in. Now comes the fun part: creating awesome content with ChatGPT. Remember, content is king, and with ChatGPT, you can create a variety of content formats like blog posts, social media posts, email newsletters, and even video scripts like this one. To use ChatGPT for your content creation, simply type in your topic or prompt and let the AI work its magic. You can adjust the settings to get the perfect balance of creativity and relevance, and don't forget to proofread and edit the generated content to make it even more engaging and tailored to your audience. Once you've created your content, it's time to promote it. Share your content on social media, collaborate with influencers in your niche, and use SEO techniques to rank higher on Google. The more people who see your content, the more potential customers you'll have. Don't underestimate the power of building an email list. Email marketing is a fantastic way to nurture relationships with your audience and promote your affiliate products. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling email newsletters that keep your subscribers engaged and eager to learn more about your recommended products. Consistency is key, my friends. Keep creating and promoting content regularly, and you'll see your affiliate marketing income grow over time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful affiliate marketing business. So be patient and stay focused on your goals. Tracking your progress is super important as well. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics and affiliate platform dashboards to monitor your traffic, conversions, and revenue. This way, you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategy for even better results. Before we wrap up, let me share some quick tips to help you achieve affiliate marketing success with ChatGPT. Number 1, be unique. Use ChatGPT to create fresh, original content that stands out from the competition. Don't just copy what others are doing. Be bold. Be different. Number 2, connect with your audience. Understand your target audience's pain points, desires, and interests. Use ChatGPT to craft content that resonates with them on a personal level. Number 3, stay up to date. Keep an eye on trends and developments. Use ChatGPT to create timely, relevant content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Number 4, experiment and optimize. Try different content formats, promotion strategies, and affiliate products. Use ChatGPT and analytics tools to fine-tune your approach and maximize your earnings. Number 5, build trust. Be transparent and honest with your audience. Don't oversell or promote products that you haven't tried or don't believe in. Use ChatGPT to create informative and valuable content that builds trust with your audience. Number 6, network. Connect with other affiliate marketers, content creators, and influencers in your niche. collaborate, learn from each other, and share strategies for success. And that's a wrap. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to making money from affiliate marketing using Chat GPT. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy affiliate marketing.